Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I start with my reading for Who is Evil Eyeing You. I had done this on Instagram also, and people really liked it and they really connected with it. So here are 3 piles, okay. One is the citrine orgonite, one is the rose quartz orgonite, and one is the clear quartz orgonite. So here you choose any one of them. This will be pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. You can pause the video and see it. Choose, take a deep breath and choose the pile. Okay, now let me start with pile 1. I'll keep these also aside as you have already chosen. If you think this video is faster, then just pause and just choose. Okay, so here I'm using the Dream Tarot, which is really very beautiful cards. So let me see. Pile 1, who is evil eyeing you? Wow, you've recently had a fight with someone. Pile 1, this is a male who is very sharp-minded. Let's see the intentions. So this person is a snake sort of an energy. I feel this person is very hidden behind the back, does everything behind the back. This person does not come in the forefront and actually tell you what the intentions are. This person, maybe on your face, this person seems to be a very balanced, very nice person. Okay, this person you recently had a very major conflict with. This person does not want to see you progressing. Okay, this person is very hidden, very evil kind of an energy, I feel, and this person is actually taking a revenge on you. I feel there was some relationship between you all which is broken, and now this person wants to come back. For a female it will be a male, for a male it will be a female. It could be an ex, it could be an ex energy. I feel this person really got very upset when you chose someone else instead of them. It's a very strong curse. This person has cursed you very badly. This person goes behind your back, bitches about you. This person goes behind your back and spreads all wrong information about you. So let me just see more clarity on this and what we need to do. Okay, more clarity, universe, on pile number 1. Yes, definitely it's a lover, it's a third party, or it could be a person you had a scene with, or maybe your ex, someone like this. This person has a lot of control over you, because maybe even if you're not in touch with this person will send such energy, such thoughts to you that you will start feeling low, sick, some kind of a codependent toxic energy this person has. It actually affects your health too, pile number 1. This evil eye. This is definitely an ex. Definitely. And it's also affecting your love life. Definitely. I feel that it all depends on you. Somewhere I feel you need to close yourself. You need to cut your cords with this past energy, or past person, whoever this is. It's an ex for sure, and you need to cut off, because if you're still in touch with this person, which I feel you are, then this energy, evil eyeing, will continue. If you completely cut your cords with this person, definitely there is new beginning for you. So I feel if you know about this person, please step back. Please step back. Please try to cut off from this ex, whoever this is. Maybe even if sometimes we don't love that person and that person has feelings, and even if you're just friends with them, they will hold you in the space of relationship and start sending evil eyes. So be careful, and as you are now aware. Okay, so let me take a fortune cookie message for people who are in this pile 1 energy. So these are my fortune cookie cards. So I'll be using them as a message from the universe that what you need to do about this evil eyeing situation. Okay, now let's take a message. Assert yourself. Go after what you want, and the time is ripe for soulmate connection. Birth of child also likely. So maybe you got married to someone else and you're about to have a child or something like that, and that is why your ex is evil eyeing you, seeing you happy, right? So you need to cut all cords from your ex. Sometimes we feel that we have moved on, but we haven't. We still have to cut the cords, right? We still have to release our past. So until you don't, this will not change, right? So that was pile 1. Let's see pile 2. Pile 2 will be rose quartz. Pile 2. Who is evil eyeing pile 2? Somebody. Oh God, what messages? So I feel that your evil eye is coming from, first, so I feel the negativity in your life is coming from your abandonment issues. Maybe you were abandoned as a child. Also, it is coming from someone who feels abandoned by you. It could be a friend. I think intuitively I feel it's a friend. It's a friend whom you abandoned. Maybe you moved on, maybe you forgot, maybe you changed your location or whatever. This person feels that he or she was such a good friend of yours and you did not pay attention, or maybe you did not take this friendship forward. I feel that this person is trying to cage you. Maybe you are still in touch with this person, I don't know, but I feel this person creates so much toxicity around you that you feel suffocated, caged and addicted to this person. This person wants to make you addicted to that, him or her. Somewhere there's a lot of control. So this person, because this person feels abandoned, wants to control you somewhere. There's a lot of control. This person is a very, very devilish kind of an energy where, sometimes they have issues with their inner child and they want to control a relationship, keep that person caged, that person does not have anybody else but them. That kind of energy. I feel this person is a very toxic human being. He or she is a friend for sure. Maybe you have abandoned, or this person is in a very victim kind of an energy, who feels that he or she is always a victim, always crying, saying, oh, this happened with me and that happened with me, and that's how they try to cage you, by keeping them with you, by crying, complaining. So this person's energy and eye is very, very, very toxic for your life. I feel it affects you in your finances. Your finances don't, go forward. So as we have a hermit card over here, I feel that you should be taking an inner check. Somewhere when we sit and meditate and ask ourselves, why are we surrounded by such people in our life, and you will get your answer. Or you could just contact a guru or an astrologer to take some guidance, because I feel there has to be some inner check where maybe you are attracting such a person in your life who's all the time sending negative energy to you and is all the time around you. Maybe possible this person got abandoned by his or her parents, or the situation must be like that and must be clinging to you. Very, very toxic energy right now. So let's have more clarity with the other cards. I used to have such a person in my life. They were my cousins, and they kept complaining and crying, and I used to keep helping them. But I realized they were so toxic and so bad that because of them I was not progressing. So exactly that kind of energy, and the minute I removed them from my life, I progressed a lot. So I know what this is. These are people who don't want to progress themselves, and they will not let you progress. Okay, so Definitely this person wishes that all their wishes should come true through you. They want to cash on. There's money involved also. I feel this person wants to cash on your progress, your popularity, take money from you. They suck a lot of energy out of your life. Okay, but somewhere some divine energy is helping you. That is why the damage is not major. I feel you are still protected by something, or maybe your mother's blessings are with you. That is why you're protected. Otherwise, this person has plans to cheat you also. Somewhere this person is going to cheat you in future. So please be careful. If it's a friend, or if you can locate this person, who it is. Okay. This person is very toxic, very evil-eyeing, very close to you, and wants nothing but to drain out all your energy, your finances, and it is really majorly affecting. Please put this person away, whoever it is, or cut cords with all the people you toxically feel attached to. That's how it will make a difference. That's what I feel. So let's take a fortune cookie message for y'all. These are my fortune cookie cards. I recently got them. So let's see. Pile 2 message. Opportunities. A stranger is about to change your life. Exciting time and plenty of action, plus a special family reunion looks likely. I feel this person is looking for opportunities from you. Is a person who wants to take advantage of you. Maybe somebody will come in your life, pile 2, and give you some insight or enlightenment, and then suddenly there will be a big transformation in your life. You will be cut off from this person and you will move ahead. Okay, so I think some opportunity will come for you to move away, and better opportunities in your life, even if this person is clinging and evil-eyeing you. There's definitely something good coming. So you have to make sure to cut off all these people from your life. And this person is also looking for opportunity from you, like maybe business, work, whatever the reason is. This person is an opportunist. So be careful. Okay, that was pile 2. And let's see what we have for pile 3. Remember, if you watch the Hindi video, it's not going to be the same messages, because every time I shuffle my cards, there is a different message. Okay, so pile 3. Wow. Definitely a female. Definitely a female who's evil eyeing you. I feel this female is some kind of elderly female who, I think not one, I think 2, 3 females, and they all are in the space of aunt, uncle space. Okay, a relative, definitely a relative who's evil eyeing you. This person thinks you have a lot of money, you have built your life very well, you have a lot of status, money, you have everything that one can wish for. You know, that kind of thing. Maybe their child is not doing that well. Maybe their children haven't reached the level that you have reached. You have a lot of party, you'll have friends, you have one full circle of life which one ever wishes. That's what you have. So this person is really evil eyeing you. There are 2 people I feel. One is elder, one is a little younger. And especially the younger one who has kids, and her kids are not doing well. They're still waiting for something good to happen from their kids, but that is not happening. So when they see you progressing, they see you working hard, they see you partying, they see that you have everything, so they feel jealous. They feel very jealous of your status too. My God, people don't, this is all comes from self-worth. When they don't have their own personal power or self-worth in place, they start feeling jealous of others. This is what happens. Let's see from more cards, more clarity. Okay. Pile 3. Who is evil eyeing them, universe? Wow. Definitely an aunt who thinks that you have more, and this person will come to you for help. This person will come to you help for their son, mostly son. I feel could be a daughter with a tomboyish energy. I think this person will come to you for help. This person is so frustrated and so unhappy from inside, cannot see you happy. They want their children to have the same wish fulfillment as you have, and they feel that they can control you by maybe crying, cribbing, or showing their frustrations, but I doubt they will be able to, because there is some kind of divine energy that is helping you over here. Yes, this person does, I feel this person even does black magic. They wish, they are so toxic in their life that even if they remove some negative words towards you, that starts manifesting. Somewhere I feel pile 3, even you need to zip your aura. Somewhere I have the small tip of zipping your aura on Instagram. Please go and watch. Somewhere you need to take care of your aura, because your aura gets affected by this person. Yes, your money gets affected, your promotions get affected, the positive things that you're manifesting in your life, that gets affected. It is so sad that people think like this and they do such bad things to others by their thoughts. This is what is happening with you, pile 3. So please be careful. Please keep your aura clean. I have so many videos on negativity removal. Please go and watch that. Okay, so let's see what we have in a fortune cookie reading for you. Message for pile 3. Okay, let's see. Pile 3 message for Evil Eye. Challenges. Take time out from problems or conflicts, or approach swiftly and avoid making matters worse. So maybe you must be in conflict with this person. Somewhere maybe you had an argument, or you will have an argument with this person, and this person is in turn going to throw more negativity at you. So instead of having arguments, pile 3, you can just choose to walk away. Avoid having any arguments with anyone or any kind of conflict around anything. If you feel that such things are happening with you, then just walk away quietly, because that is going to keep you safeguarded. If you reply back, if you just get into replying back to such people, it will only affect your aura and your life. Okay, pile 3, and that's all for today. Please subscribe to this channel so that I can make more videos. You can help more people around you, and don't forget to call me for paid appointments only, email me for paid appointments only, and go like my Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye.